Hi, I'm Patti Brady. We're here at the Paint Bar at Golden Artist Colors, and today we're going to play with a wide variety of products and explore pouring viscosities, two different kinds of paint, over some different surfaces that we create with gels and grounds, very absorbent surfaces and very glossy surfaces. Today, for the first coat, we're going to use Course Pumice Gel. This gel will dry to a very gray, gritty, concrete surface, and it's going to be very absorbent. When the Course Pumice Gel is dry, we're going to saturate the surface with water to create a stain. Don't be afraid to use too much water because this surface is very absorbent. We're going to now stain the surface using several different colors of fluids. You can either apply the fluids directly to the surface and let them bleed out, or thin them down with water and apply with a brush. Next, I'm going to use the Heavy Gel Gloss, which is a very stiff gel, and I'm going to mix it with some fluids. Use a palette knife to apply this mixture to a stencil. Removing the stencil shows how this stiff gel creates these very defined raised edges and dries to a very glossy surface. We're now going to use two different viscosities of paint. The fluids, which are like a very heavy cream, and the airbrush, which has a wonderful ink-like viscosity. Prepare several different cups using combinations of fluids and airbrush in each cup, but do not mix them together. Now we're going to saturate the surface again with water. Take the paper cup and pour lines of these mixtures over the surfaces. Because we didn't mix these together, this has allowed the airbrush color, a lower viscosity paint, to seep out of the line and into the very porous Course Pumice Gel. You'll notice the fluids are staying kind of in shape on that line. Also notice, and on top of the very glossy bands of color that we made, the paint doesn't adhere in a full film, but creates these sort of wonderful little valleys and puddles of color. Today, we've only experimented with two different gels out of a wide variety of offerings that Golden Artist Colors produces. We've experimented with absorbent surfaces and non-absorbent surfaces, and we've used two viscosities of paint, the airbrush and the fluid colors. And I'm hoping we have encouraged you to try some of these things at home.